Hello everyone, it's my sister's wedding today. It's an emotional as well as happy moment for me as both of my sisters are getting married. I'm gonna miss them a lot. I'd shared the most amazing time with them right from my childhood. They were my biggest support system as well as my biggest critiques. I miss the amazing time that we had, the fights and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna miss them a lot and I love them a lot.
वो तेरे मेरे इश्क का एक शायराना दौर सा था। वो तेरे मेरे इश्क का एक शायराना दौर सा था। वो मैं भी कोई और ही थी, वो तू भी कोई और ही था। वो तेरे मेरे इश्क का एक शायराना दौर सा था।